Hey guys, I want to show you how to make this football cakesicle. You're gonna need two colors for it. I chose black and white. So take your fondant and thin it out and cut stripes like that. And in my case, I like to cut 2 by 3 centimeter rectangles and then just cut each corner of it to get a kind of hexagonal shape. And then repeat the same with the black color. You can use a grid like mine to help you cut it out more evenly, but it's very simple as you can see. And then create a couple of pieces like that and take your main cakesicle and put some glue on it. I like to start off at the center of it by placing one color kind of vertically and then keep placing the other color around it until you complete the circle, and then start placing black again where the empty spots are, and just keep doing that until you have the entire cakesicle covered, and that's pretty much it.